Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a caramel apple walnut pie. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Be sure to subscribe for new videos every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday. Or this week, new pie recipes every day. So let's get started. First you'll need a pie crust. I'll put a link to the recipe I'm using in the description box. And one of the biggest issues with making pie is an underbaked or soggy pie crust, so be sure to check out my pie crust troubleshooting video, where I show how to prevent and fix an underbaked or soggy pie crust. Preheat the oven to 450 degrees. Then wash the apples. I'm using tart apples because it pairs really well with the caramel, but you can use any firm cooking apples you like. Then peel, core, and slice or chop them. After cutting each apple, place it into a large bowl and toss it with the lemon juice so it doesn't turn brown. Set aside the apples for now. And into a small saucepan, add in the dark brown sugar, heavy cream, butter, and salt, and place the saucepan onto the stove over medium heat. Stir the ingredients and heat it until the mixture comes to a boil, stirring it occasionally. Meanwhile, in a small bowl, add in the cornstarch and cold water, and whisk it really well to get rid of lumps. Once the mixture on the stove comes to a boil, slowly pour in the cornstarch and water mixture while mixing so you don't get lumps. And continue stirring until it comes to a boil again. Then keep it boiling over the heat for another 2 minutes. Then remove it from the heat. Add in the vanilla extract. And mix it in until it's combined. Pour the caramel sauce into the bowl with the apples. And add in the chopped walnuts. And mix them until they're combined. Pour the filling into the prepared pie crust. It may look like a lot, but it will shrink down a little while it's baking, so it needs to be piled high above the pan. Roll out some more pie crust. Roll it up around the rolling pin. And unroll it over the top of the pie. And trim off the excess. Brush the crust underneath with an egg wash so the two crusts stick. And seal them together. Then brush the top of the pie with an egg wash to give it a nice golden brown color when it bakes. Then sprinkle the top with some sugar. I'm using turbinado sugar because it has nice flavor and crunch. Then cut a few slits in the top of the pie to let steam escape while it's baking. Then bake it in the oven for 10 minutes on top of a baking sheet to catch drips. After 10 minutes, turn the oven temperature down to 350 degrees and bake the pie for another 40 to 50 minutes. When it's done, remove it from the oven and let it cool for 20 to 30 minutes until it's no longer hot but still very warm. And you can serve it still warm or at room temperature. And that's how to make a caramel apple walnut pie. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give this video a like and check out my channel for many more videos and subscribe to my channel for more to come. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.